Welcome to Learn and Play Kids channel.
I am making my bed.
I am making my bed.
I am picking up my toys.
I am picking up my toys.
I am setting the table.
I am setting the table.
I am putting away my clothes.
I am putting away my clothes.
I am feeding the pets.
I am feeding the pets.
I am helping wash the dishes.
I am helping wash the dishes.
I am wiping the table.
I am wiping the table.
I am dusting the furniture.
I am dusting the furniture.
I am watering the plants.
I am watering the plants.
I am helping sweep the floor.
I am helping sweep the floor.
I am taking out the trash.
I am taking out the trash.
I am cleaning up spills.
I am cleaning up spills.
I am helping fold the laundry.
I am helping fold the laundry.
I am organizing my books.
I am organizing my books.
I am wiping down the counters.
I am wiping down the counters.
I am cleaning my room.
I am cleaning my room.
I am putting away my shoes.
I am putting away my shoes.
I am sorting the recycling.
I am sorting the recycling.
I am helping with grocery shopping.
I am helping with grocery shopping.
I am helping cook dinner.
I am helping cook dinner.
I am making sandwiches.
I am making sandwiches.
I am wiping the bathroom sink.
I am wiping the bathroom sink.
I am helping clean the windows.
I am helping clean the windows.
I am helping with vacuuming.
I am helping with vacuuming.
I am straightening the cushions.
I am straightening the cushions.
I am feeding the fish.
I am feeding the fish.
I am picking up leaves in the yard.
I am picking up leaves in the yard.
I am helping pack my lunch.
I am helping pack my lunch.
I am hanging up my backpack.
I am hanging up my backpack.
I am sorting my toys.
I am sorting my toys.
I am helping with the laundry.
I am helping with the laundry.
I am helping bake cookies.
I am helping bake cookies.
I am helping mop the floor.
I am helping mop the floor.
I am cleaning my shoes.
I am cleaning my shoes. Thanks for watching. Enjoy it. Like, comment and share.